Good afternoon. Welcome to another video. Before I get into what the topic is for today, I want everybody in the chat, everybody that's listening in, do me this one favor, special request. Type a math problem in the chat that you're having a difficult time with. Type a math problem in the chat that you're having a difficult time with. All the math problems. So for the person that just came in, what I want you to do is type a math problem in the chat that you're having a difficult time with. All the math problems I see in the chat, I will do a video on eventually. But every single math problem that you put in the chat that you're having a difficult time with, I am going to eventually do a video on. So as many any or as many problems as you could think of. Anyways, let's get into this video. So this video is going to be on classifying subtraction problems. I say classifying, not solving. I'm not going to be solving a single problem on this video. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be looking at a subtraction problem, and I'm going to be determining, is regrouping needed or is regrouping not needed? So all the subtraction problems that require regrouping are going to go into the regrouping category, and all the subtraction problems that do not require regrouping are going to go into the no regrouping category. Now, how do you know when to regroup? What is the rule? The rule is that you regroup when the bottom number is bigger than the top number. So any subtraction problem where there is a bottom digit that is bigger than the digit on the top, we regroup. So looking at this problem, 45 minus 29, we're going to look at the digits in the ones place. We have 5 minus 9. Now, 9 is bigger than 5. You cannot subtract 9 if you only have 5 to start with. So this is a problem that will require regrouping. So this problem would go in the regrouping category. So 45 minus 29, that would be an example of a problem that does need regrouping. I'm going to write another problem here. Again, I'm not solving these problems, I'm just classifying them right now. All right, 44 minus 32. Now, first thing we do is we look at the ones place and we determine whether or not we need to regroup. So we have in the ones place we have 4 minus 2. So again, 4 is bigger than 2. The bottom number is smaller than the top number on this one. In both the ones in the tens place, the bottom number is smaller than the top number. So for this problem, we do not need to regroup. So this is going to go in the no regrouping category. On the next one. Every 5 problems, I'm going to stop and I'm going to do a couple dunks. So 3 more. All right. I'm not going in any particular order. It's at random here. All right. 68 minus 55. So looking at the ones place, 8 minus 5. 8 is bigger than 5. The bottom number is not bigger than the top number. The bottom number is smaller. So again, we do not need to regroup. So 68 minus 55, that will go in the no regrouping category. We don't need to regroup. We only regroup when one of the digits on the bottom is bigger than one of the digits on the top. So that would be no regrouping. Next problem. All right, 72 minus 59. So looking at the digits in the ones place, 9 is bigger than 2. The bottom number is bigger for this one. 9 is bigger than 2. You can't start with 2 and take 9 away. 9 is bigger than 2. So because the bottom number is bigger, we do need to regroup. So 72 minus 59 is going to go in the no regrouping, in the regrouping category. So 72 minus 59 goes in the category for regrouping because that is a problem that we need to regroup. So again, in this video, not solving any of the problems, I'm just classifying them. I'm putting them into categories because the purpose of this video is I want you to understand the difference between regrouping and non-regrouping. I want you to know when it's required to regroup. All right. $88 minus 59. So looking at the ones place, 9 is bigger than 8. The bottom number is bigger, so we do need to regroup. If we're starting out with 8, we can't take 9 away. So 88 minus 59 is going to go into the regrouping category. All right. So I'm going to take a quick dunk break. As soon as I find my basketball, I'm going to take a dunk break. And here we go. And I'm using the whiteboard as a defender. I ain't even going to move the whiteboard here. I'm going to just use it as a defender. I'm catching the ball on the post. Jam time. Pivot. I'm about to do another dunk now. Another dunk. You ready for this? Wasn't able to dunk, but it went in. There we go. You do it with the right hand, you got to do it with the left hand. Got to be good with both hands. Last dunk, then I'm doing five more problems in class 5. Do not try that at home. All right, 5 more problems, then I'm going to do another 4 dunks. All right, so we are classifying. All right, 62 minus 37. So 7 is bigger than 2. Looking at the ones place, 7 is bigger than 2. Starting out with 2, you can't take away 7. So again, that's going to go in the regrouping category. Like I said, these are kind of at random, not in any particular order. All right, 48 minus 31. So in this problem, 1 is not bigger than 8. The top number is bigger. The top number in the 1s and 10s place is bigger for both of the digits. So for this one, we do not need to regroup. This is going to go in the no regrouping category. So 48 minus 31. That's going to be, that will, let me make my 3 a little bit neater here. But that would be in the category for no regrouping because both the digits on the bottom are smaller. We only regroup when there's a digit on the bottom that's bigger than a digit on the top. 69 minus 52. So looking at the ones place, 9 is bigger than 2, 6 is bigger than 5. So again, we do not need to regroup for this one. We only regroup when there's a digit on the bottom that's bigger. So this is another problem that's going to go in the no regrouping category. 69 minus 52. We do not need to regroup for that one. $77 minus 21. Again, if you want to pause the video and try some of these on your own, feel free to do that. You can just copy down this chart here for regrouping, no regrouping, and then copy each of the problems and write them in the respective categories. Ask, yeah. Somebody has a question, ask. What's your question? I'm going to hold off on this next problem. I want to answer the question in the chat. No. I don't let anybody regroup my hair. No, absolutely not. My hair's got to stay with the way it is. That's funny, though. You're a funny guy. Let's keep the questions math related, all right? And there ain't nothing math related about regrouping hair. Only regrouping numbers is math related. All right. 77 minus 21. So 7 is bigger than 1. 7 is bigger than 2. So this is going to go in the no regrouping category. We do not need to regroup. Shout out to everybody that's out watching this video that's in the chat. Please hit that like button. Also, if there's a certain type of math problem that you have a difficult time with, write the problem in the chat, and I'll do another video on it at some point. All right, last problem of the day before I finish out with some basketball. 91 minus 69. So again, I'm not solving these problems, I'm classifying these problems. Either going in the regrouping category or the non-regrouping category. So I'm going to look at the digits in the ones place. 1 is smaller than 9. The digit on the bottom is bigger for this one because you can't start out with 1 and take away 9. So this problem is going to go in the regrouping category. 91 minus 69. All right. So I'm going to be dunking on people. I'm going to be doing the dunking a little differently today. I'm going to use this whiteboard as a defender here. And just catch the ball in the post, pivot, slam. It's not as easy when there's a defender in your grill. Game situation. don't know if I can do no chest-to-chest dunk. Whatever you do with your left hand, you got to do with your right hand. Last dunk of the day. Last dunk of the day. Or of the video. All right. Thank you so much for tuning in. Have a great rest of the day. Let me know what you think in the comments. Was this helpful? Was this not helpful? Do you now better understand the concept of regrouping when doing subtraction problems, or are you still confused? Do you need more help? Hit that like button. Put any questions you have in the comment section, and also I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. But either way, have a great day, everybody.